Hello, my name is Edmond Fisher and I'm from Detroit, Michigan. I have been coming to Marc Adams School of Woodwork for the last 15 years. I had the pleasure of meeting Marc Adams at a workshop in Detroit, Michigan. He handed me one of his brochures. I read it and I was enthusiastic about coming here based on what the classes that he offered. And after I came my first time, I have been coming for the last 15 consecutive years, taking about 2 classes a year based on what the offering is. And every class that I've attended at Marc Adams School of Woodwork, I've learned something. In my opinion, Marc Adams is the best institution for woodworking in the country based on the course offerings, based on the many instructors that he has, based on the ambiance of the building, the staff, the location. It's all a part of what makes this a very, very good institution. It's to the point now where I take my vacation every year at Marc Adams School of Woodworking, and I look in anticipation to coming based on his offerings and based on the times and the people that I meet here. I met people from every state in the United States and with every background. But I have to say the majority of the people that I met here has actually been engineers. I do a personal survey, and the engineers who have a background in woodworking, structurals, and wood finishing, and the chemistry of all things, has added to my experience and added to my knowledge of how wood works, the kinds of wood, the species of wood, the growth of wood. All is a part of my learning experience here at the Marc Adams School of Woodwork. And another good part about the Marc Adams School of Woodwork, he encouraged us to take his brochures to our cities and put them in places that say would sell lumber. And I've had the occasion of introducing Marc Adams School of Woodwork to all of my family members, all of the different vendors that sell wood in Detroit. And a lot of people have come to Marc Adams School of Woodwork based on my experience and based on the curriculum offering here, which is by far par none. I recommend Marc Adams School of Woodwork to everyone who has an interest in constructing things from wood and wood-related products. Please come to Marc Adams School of Woodwork. You will not be disappointed.